Already we have completed 15 problems. Now I am going to start with 16th problem of exercise 7.4, page number 316 of second volume, our NCERT mathematics book. Exercise 7.4. Question number 16. Find the integral of, that means integral 4x plus 1 divided by root of 2x square plus x minus 3 into dx. Look at this, the derivative of the denominator is the numerator, that is irrespective of root. So 2x square plus x minus 3, if you differentiate this function we get 4x plus 1, so that is the numerator. So we can use a method of substitution. So assume that first I equal to this one, put t equal to 2x square plus x minus 3, differentiating on either side we have dt equal to 4x plus 1 into dx. So substituting in above we have I equal to integral. So instead of 4x plus 1 into dx we can put dt, and the denominator becomes root t, that is t power 1 by 2. This is equal to integral t power minus 1 by 2 into dt. So while integrating this we have t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So this is equal to t power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So which is equal to 2 into root of t, that is 2 into root of t means 2x square plus x minus 3, and put one arbitrary constant c. So this is the answer. Next, question number 17. In question number 17, let I equal to integral x plus 2 divided by root of x square minus 1. We can split this into two terms, that is equal to integral x by root of x square minus 1 into dx plus 2 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So we can split this as into two terms. One is x by root of x square minus 1 plus another one is 2 divided by root of x square minus 1. For the first for the substitution for easy integration, let us assume this as I1 plus I2. Let this part be I1 and the second part be I2. Now I1 equal to integral x by root of x square minus 1 into dx. The derivative of the denominator we can get the numerator. So put t equal to x square minus 1, the denominator. Now differentiating we have dt equal to 2x into dx, or 1 by 2 into dt equal to x into dx. Substituting in I1 we have I1 equal to integral, the denominator is root of t square x square minus 1, therefore it is root of x t root of t, and the numerator x dx becomes 1 by 2 into dt. This is equal to 1 by 2 integral t power minus 1 by 2 into dt, that is 1 by 2 into t power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c1. So removing this, t power 1 by 2 means root of t is root of x square minus 1. So root of x square minus 1 plus c1. Say this is 1. And for the second one, we have I2 equal to integral 2 into 1 by root of x square minus 1 into dx. So for your reference, I have written all the 6 formulas, results, and which one you have to check. So here fourth one is applicable, that is it is in the form of dx by root of x square minus 1. So x square only, and instead of a square we have only 1 square. So this is log of, that is 2 into log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square, means here 1 minus 1 plus c2. Now combining these together, we have I equal to I1 plus I2. Therefore I means integral root x plus 2 divided by root of x square minus 1 into dx equal to, the I1 value is, say this is 2, I1 value is first result, that is root of x square minus 1 plus the second value is 2 into log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c1 plus c2. So c1 plus c2, c1 is a constant, c2 another constant, the combining together is also a constant. So simply put 1c, where c equal to c1 plus c2. So this is the answer. Now question number 20 and 21 are of same type, the 17 model, that is question number 20 and 21. Look at question number 20, that is I equal to integral x plus 2 divided by root of 4x minus x square into dx. This can be written as, the denominator is minus x square plus 4x, which is equal to minus of x square minus 4x. So add and subtract plus 4. The coefficient of x is 4, the half of it 2, squaring 2 equal, we have 4. So plus 4 minus 4, this is equal to minus of, this part is x minus 2 the whole square and minus 2 square. So that is equal to 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. So the numerator, the function is x plus 2 divided by root of 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square, so into dx, and which is equal to, so we can split this as x plus, we have x minus 2 the whole square. So in the numerator we can write this as x minus 2 plus 4. So minus 2 plus 4 equal to x plus 2 divided by root of 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square into dx. So we can split this into two terms, that is x minus 2 divided by root of 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square into dx plus 4 into integral 1 by root of 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square into dx. So for the first one, use substitution. So put t equal to 2 square minus x minus 2 the whole square. So dt equal to 0 minus 2 into x minus 2 into dx. So bring the minus 2 here. So minus 1 by 2 here, minus 1 by 2 into dt equal to x minus 2, that is x minus 2 into dx. So we can replace this, and for the second one you can directly apply the formula, that is a square minus x square equal to sin inverse of x by a. So this part is 4 into sin inverse of x by a, means x is x minus 2 divided by a means 2, x minus 2 by 2. So combining together you will be getting the answer, the same model like question number 17. And in the 21 also we can do the problem of same type. Now consider the question 21. Question number 21, that is integral x plus 2 divided by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. we can simplify this part for the general part. Let I equal to, so consider the denominator x square plus 2x plus 3, which can be written as x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 2. This can be written as x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square. Now split the numerator into two parts. One is x plus, now this is x plus 2 divided by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square into dx. This can be written as x plus 1 plus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square into dx. So split into two terms. One is x plus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square into dx plus integral 1 by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square into dx. For the first part you substitute. So put the entire term t equal to x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 square 2. So differentiating this is dt equal to 2 into x plus 1 into dx, and bring the 2 here, that is 1 by 2 into dt equal to x plus 1 into dx. So after substituting you can simply integrate this. This is in the form of a square x square plus a square. So x square plus a square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. So after integrating this both integrals and combine together in order to get the final result. So till now we have completed up to question number 17 and 20, 21. These are all of one type. Now new model starts. The problem left by me 18, 19, 22, 23. So for the 18 we have to follow a new method. Go to page number 310. So there the ninth subdivision, ninth result, integral of type integral px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Here except x, p, q, a, b, c all are constants only. For this we cannot use substitution because the derivative of the denominator do not match with the numerator. So in this case we have to follow one type. The numerator can be written as, that is px plus q is equal to d by dx of the denominator, that is ax square plus bx plus c into a plus b. So we can split this as given in the book. I am writing this, that is a into or into a, whatever it is. So write the a first, a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. So this is equal to a into, the derivative of the denominator is 2ax plus b and plus b, px plus q. Now equating x terms and constant terms, that is px plus q, px plus q equal to 2a ax plus ab plus b. Equating these two terms, we have the first one p equal to 2a into a, from which we can find the value of a, and equating q term to with these two terms, that is q equal to ab plus capital B. So we can find the value of b. So using this method only we have to split this into two different rationals. So different rationals, then we can follow the any one of this type. So all comes under this only, but for the easy integration we have to split like this. The numerator is equal to the a into derivative of the denominator plus b, and differentiate the denominator and equate the x terms and constant terms, then you can find the value of a and b. So we can substitute like this. Next question number 18. Let I equal to integral 5x minus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. We cannot use substitution because the derivative of the denominator is 6x plus 2, whereas the numerator is 5x minus 2. So we can apply the concept what I have told you earlier. We have 5x minus 2 equal to a into d by dx of the denominator, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. This is equal to a into 6x plus 2 plus b, that is equal to a 6x plus 2a plus b. 5x minus 2 equal to, so equating x terms we have 5 equal to 6a or a equal to 5 by 6, and equating the constant terms minus 2 equal to 2 into a plus b. 2 into a means 5 by 6 plus b. So this is 5 by 3. So we have minus 2. So bringing this 5 by 3 here, minus 5 by 3 equal to b. So this is 2 3s are 6, minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 by 3 equal to b. So the I can be expressed as integral. Instead of numerator we can write a into, a means what, 5 by 6, 5 by 6 into the d by dx of the denominator, that is 6x plus 2. Instead of b we can write minus 11 by 3 whole divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. So we can split into two terms. The first one is 5 by 6 integral 6x plus 2 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx minus 11 by 3 into integral. The second part is 1 by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. So let us consider this as I equal to I1 plus I2. The first part is I1. Now I1 equal to 5 by 6 into integral 6x plus 2 into dx by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. This is 5 by 6 into, if you put t, this is integral. For this put t equal to the denominator, therefore the dt equal to 6x plus 2. So it is dt by t plus c1, that is 5 by 6 into log of modulus of t plus c1, that is equal to 5 by 6 into log of modulus of t means modulus of the denominator, that is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus c1. So this is I1. So this is result as first I2. I2 equal to minus 11 by 3 integral 1 by, so the denominator is 3 into, that means here 1 by 3 into x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 9 can be written as root 2 by 3 the whole square into dx. So this is equal to minus 11 by 3 3s are 9, and we have the integration is in the integrand is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square, that is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, that is 1 by a means root 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by a means x plus 1 by 3 divided by a root 2 by 3 plus c2, which is equal to minus 11 by 9 into 3 by root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 3, 3x plus 1 by 3, this is root 2 by 3, 3 3 cancel, so 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus C2. So, this is minus 11 by 3 root 2 minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by root 2 plus C2. Now, combining together we have I equal to, so we have I equal to 5 by 6 into log of modulus of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 divided by root 2 plus c, where c equal to c1 plus c2. Next question number 19. Question number 19. Let I equal to integral 6x plus 7 divided by root of x minus 5 into x minus 4 into dx. Now, for this we have again go to page number 10. For the evaluation of the integral of type px plus q dx divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c, we proceed as in 9 and transform the integral to known the standard form. So, the same as the previous, that is 18, but here the only difference is we have root. Here consider this x minus 5 into x minus 4 equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. Therefore, I can be written as I equal to integral 6x plus 7 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. The derivative of the denominator do not match with the numerator. So, we can use that method. The numerator, that is 6x plus 7 equal to a into d by dx of the denominator, that is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b, that is equal to a into 2x minus 9 plus b. Now, this is equal to 2ax minus 9a plus b. This is 2ax minus 9a plus b, which is 6x plus 7. Now, equate x terms and constant terms. Equating x terms, we have 6 equal to 2a. So, a equal to 3. Equating 6 equal to 2a, so a equal to 3. And equating constant terms, 7 equal to minus 9 into a means 3 plus b. Here 7 equal to minus 27 plus b. So, b equal to 34. b equal to 34. So, I can be expressed as integral 6, instead of 6x plus 7 we can write a into dx, that is a means 3 into the derivative of the denominator is 2x minus 9 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b means 34 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So, we can split this into two terms, that is I equal to integral, first one is 3 into 2x minus 9 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx plus b means 34 into integral 1 by, so b means 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Let us consider as I equal to I1 plus I2. So, the first part is I1 and the second part is I2. We can separately integrate and combine together. Now, I1 equal to now I1 equal to 3 into integral 2x minus 9 divided by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. So, take the denominator as t, that is x square minus 9x plus 20. So, dt equal to 2x minus 9 into dx. Now, substituting I1 becomes 3 into integral, the denominator is root t, that is root t, and the numerator is dt. So, 3 into integrating root t equal to 2 into root t, that is 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20. Say this is 1. And the second integral I2 equal to 34 into integral 1 by root of x square minus 9x plus 20 into dx. Now, consider x square minus 9x plus 20, which is equal to the x square minus 9x. So, half of 9 is 9 by 2, 9 by 2. So, squaring 9 by 2, we have plus 81 by 4 minus 81 by 4 plus 20. So, this is x minus 9 by 2 the whole square, and this is minus 2 4s are 80, 80 minus 81 minus 1 by 4. So, this is equal to 34 into integral 1 by root of x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square into dx. So, I2 equal to 34 into, it is in the form of 1 by root of x square minus a square. So, formula number 4. In this we have log of modulus of x means x minus 9 by 4, 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus a square means x square minus a square means the entire part, this one, that is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. Now, combining together, say this is 2. So, combining together I equal to, the I1 is 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20, and the second part is plus 34 into log of modulus of x minus 9 by 2 plus root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c2 here. So, plus c, where c equal to c1 plus c2. Here put one c1 arbitrary constant and put c2 there, and combining together finally it is plus c. Question number 22 and 23 of same type. 22 can be solved using the method of 18 and 23 can be solved using the method of 19, what we have done now. So, both are easiest problem. So, of same method follow 18 and 19 to solve the question numbers 22 and 23. So, these two are homework and choose it. There are two questions, one is 24, another one is 25. So, 24 is integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 2. This can be written as integral dx by x square plus 2x plus 1, that is equal to integral dx by x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 means 1 square. it is in the form of integral dx by x square plus a square. So, it is equal to 1 by a. 1 by a means 1. So, 1 by 1 1 da tan inverse of x by a, that is x plus 1 plus c. So, the answer is tan inverse of x plus 1 plus c. So, option is